Before installing Miniconda, we need to check which processor your machine is using. This is a crucial step to ensure proper installation. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and choose About this Mac. In the window that appears, look at the processor line. If it says Intel, you have an Intel-based Mac. If it says Apple M1, M2, or M3, then you're using Apple Silicon. The first step to installing Miniconda is to open Anaconda's official download website. Once you're there, click the Skip Registration button to bypass account creation and go straight to the download section. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see the Miniconda installers. Click the download button. The website should automatically detect your operating system. Be careful to download the appropriate version, either for Apple Silicon or for Intel CPUs. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the installer. Start the setup by clicking Continue a few times. Then, agree to the terms and conditions by clicking Agree. Next, click Install and keep the default options. If prompted, provide your administrator password and confirm by clicking Install Software. Wait for the process to complete. When it's done, click Close, and then move to Bin, since we won't need the installer anymore. Your Miniconda installation is now complete.